My name is Ahmed Iraqi. I'm a reader in polymer chemistry. Our work involves a lot of areas, but they're all mainly concerned with organic electronics. We do a lot of work on conjugated polymers, and these are organic semiconductors that are used for a number of applications. In our own group, we do a lot. We are interested in their use in light-emitting diodes, in solar cells. So these are the main areas we are interested in. But there are many projects, but all relying on the organic semiconductors and their uses in electronics. The most exciting thing is to be able to discover new materials that could push away materials that are either very expensive to produce or that are greener, if you like. So for example, our work on LEDs obviously will produce LEDs that consume a lot less energy, but we also work in the area of solar cells. One of the major problem of having solar cells over many roofs is the cost. And if you are able to produce these solar cells at a cheaper price, but also at low energy costs, this is essentially what we're trying to do in our group. We're trying to push efficiencies higher and costs of materials down. So as you see, this is a typically synthetic lab. We work in fume tablets most of the time. We have vacuum lines, Schlenk lines. So a lot of our work involves working under anaerobic conditions, under nitrogen, under inert conditions. So we need to use Schlenk lines in order to do that. We could do chromatography to separate our compounds. We use layer chromatography to find out what we have in our mixtures. But essentially it's a standard synthetic organic chemistry synthetic lab that we have. Once we've made our materials, we measure their molecular weights to GPC in other labs. Obviously we do NMR on our materials, elemental analysis, everything that one would do to analyze small molecules. As chemists, as polymer chemists, we do a lot of organic chemistry. So we do a lot of organic heterocyclic chemistry. As you know, a conjugated polymer, that is a polymer that has many aromatic or heteroaromatic units that are attached together. And so on our way to making these materials, we do a lot of synthetic chemistry. We have collaborators in physics who do the work on making devices out of our polymers. Sheffield is known for an extended number of science and engineering departments, and this is actually quite a unique thing to Sheffield. Science and engineering disciplines are actually quite expensive disciplines, and for a number of universities, they try to not have as many science and engineering departments, and this isn't the case for Sheffield. Sheffield has a very large number, so we are able to have a vast array of techniques from different departments that one could just contact someone from another department and maybe ask whether they could use a certain instrument, and as I said, this is quite unique to Sheffield.